Hi, I'm Maboon, the Sony Bluetooth headphones. Okay, let's get started. First, we have our power on and off button, followed by our noise cancelling button, and that is a headphone jack for when you want to plug it in if the battery dies. By the way, the battery can last up to 30 hours on a single charge. Right here is your controls, and you also can charge this by using USB-C, which I have right here. And the cushions are very comfortable. It's comfortable on my head. You can wear it a long time. Plus the noise cancellation is awesome. It can also tell you the battery life.
Battery, about 40%.
Thank you for watching.